Hello guys, I'm Ron and I want to welcome you to Colorado Springs Ceramic Pro. You're in for an amazing experience. Once you enter Ceramic Pro, you'll be greeted by our amazing staff, and then you'll have the awesome opportunity to visit our shop so we can show you the magic that we do behind the doors. And now I just want to show you where all the magic happens. We're back in our shop, and this is what's going on here in the shop today. We have a 4Runner where we're doing an engine restoration. We're cleaning the engine, glossing it, making it look brand new. We've done paint correction on this vehicle. We've done undercarriage restoration where it's back to black. We're doing ceramic coating, window tinting, clear bra. Anything that your heart can imagine, we're doing to this vehicle. And it's going to look like a 2020 when we're done. It's going to look like an amazing truck. So if you have a vehicle that's been sitting in the garage and you're just wanting to make it look amazing again, we're the ones that you can call. We do hail damage. We do paintless dent repair. We're your Colorado Springs one-stop shop for your vehicle needs. This is another vehicle that I wanted to show you that we're working on right now as well. This is a Mercedes. We're doing a daily driver on this where it had paint correction. It's getting a coat of the 9H. This is the famous protectant that Ceramic Pro has. The famous 9H is on there, and also the top coat. We're doing the wheels and the windshield. So this car is gonna leave here looking brand new. One of the things that you can do is give us a call. Set up an appointment. Set your car up a spa date today at Ceramic Pro, Colorado Springs.